welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the subscribers. Thanks for really kind of giving me that push, which is keeping me motivated to make more and more videos. As I said earlier, that my next video would be on the Fat Bob. Today, I'm going to hit the roads. Yes. Uh, let's see. I want to give you a complete details. I hope I will do justice to the bike because words will fall short. Trust me, it's such a wonderful bike. Let's see. Let's get going.
For today's video, I'll be using this helmet. It's a Harley Davidson make helmet. It's a complete carbon fiber. Very safe, also very light in weight. So it's very comfortable for long drives. This is one gorgeous looking headlamps with the integrated DRLs. The upper strip is the low beam and the strips on the bottom is the high beam. Fat Bob gets this flat handle which is very comfortable to drive. What you see is a 43 mm inverted cartridge fork suspension in the front. This is the new engine, V-twin engine from Harley Davidson known as the Milwaukee 8. It's a 1745cc engine which produces 145 Nm torque. What you see here is the adjustable monoshock suspension for the rear. It gets a very wide profile tire at the rear, which is 180/70 16-inch alloy, and for the front we get 150/80 16-inch alloy. I like the way Harley Davidson is painted on the tank. Looks really cool. As you can see, this is an adjustable handle. Can be adjusted according to your height and preference. What you see is a RPM meter, and below that is the digital speedometer. What you can see shows you the fuel tank capacity, the range, time, RPM, and all the details which is required. So as you can see, the build quality of this bike is excellent, I must say. They haven't compromised anywhere. We all are aware Harley is known for its toughness. Yes, let's go for a ride and see how the bike feels on the road. I must say the suspensions are really smooth and comfortable. Absorbs almost all the bumps. There is more than adequate power in this bike. It just sets off the minute you hit the throttle. I was really surprised the way this bike drives at the speed of even 110. This bike feels like it's doing speeds of below 80. that's the best part of the bike, any bike for that matter. If you're driving fast and you feel like you're driving really slow, that is when it means that the confidence level is really high on the bike. So this bike is adequately powered, 145 Newton meter torque. Harley has not given us the actual bhp figures, but as per a German website it says the Fat Bob has about 85 bhp, which is more than sufficient. This bike has a very good road presence, looks intimidating from any angle. I'm also impressed with the brakes. 100 to 0 in less than 3 seconds. Thanks to the Dunlop tires, which gives you great confidence even on wet surfaces. Harley has chopped off the rear and front mudguards, which gives this a perfect bobble look, a badass look. All in all, for 19 lakh, this is one perfect bike you can own. There's no other bike which comes even close to its competition. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.